Mazito, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami Zitho, it's about Uthando Nesithembu season 8 episode 25. Today's episode, guys, when uMusamsele took the whole family to the family trip, guys, lapha eKZN in the same province, and but kuseduzane naseMzulu, so I didn't know the exact location, guys. So as we know usine uyile uhambe nengane since uMacele amcelile ukuthi since mina ngakwazi ukuhamba, so ngicela wena wami. And at first ngibone ngathi uMacele why azothumela usine angafuni ukuhamba, but now ngicabangile, guys, I think it is only fair if ukuhamba one of them. Angithi uMacele naye during the month or during the year nje uhlala hleli nomntana kaSine, so it is fair ukuthi yena if akwazi ukuhamba athi noMbhemi hamba wena ngoba mina nawe sibambesene kulabantwana. It's like if angikwazi ukuhamba hamba wena ngoba nami ngiyakwazi ukuhlala nomntanakho. Angazi noma nangi-understand, but ngithe uma ngicabanga ngabona ngathi uMacele ube right ukuthi acele Sine than ukuthi abantwana bahambe bayogada abanye abantu lapho. So kuzoba ngcono makhona uSine azokwazi especially ugada lo wakhe nalo wakaMacele lo omncane owami. And the other thing I've noticed lapha i-family trip, but umntana kaSine womfana akekho. I don't know mina ukuthi lo mntwana waba yenzani lengane, and I don't know ukuthi kuwo wonke lamakhosikazi akekho no-one ozothi ukumusa. Okay, fine, awumfuni ahlale la, and it's understandable. Akekho ubaba ovuma ukuthi ingane yakhe izizale kwesi-2 ihlele endlini, akafundi, akasebenzi, akamakethi, akafuni imisebenzi, uyazala, akashadanga. So vele it's into ebuhlungu, and it is understandable ukuthi makazothi yathini lo wokuqala ngiyamukela, lo wesi-2 angeke khona. But entweni like abo family trip, Christmas what nisa Christmas Day nje izinto like njengange-50 iphathi kaMose 50 years, I think umntwana bokumele abe there ngoba kufana like umshado or umsebenzi wasegcekeni, and he's part of ifamily. Angithi even if umama wakhe bekashadile mhlambe bekazokucela kubo ukuthi sicela ingane. So I don't understand ukuthi uSine wayengakwazi kuba umama akhulumele ingane zakhe, not ukuthi alwacela ubaba yakhe ubaba njengoba siphuma bengicela ukuthi ngilande uSamkelo igama lomntwana, bengicela ukuthi ngilande uSamkelo nathi hambe nathi. It's not like ukuthi uyobhadala lapha bese give ubaba wakhe obvious I think bayamthengela impahla if kuyashoda uSine uzogcwalisa lapho nalapho, ngoba there's a time ngeke ngezokuthiwa abantwana baSine bayahola i-grant le yabantwana and ikhadi lihlala kuSine. uSine naye kumele akhule abomama. But one thing I didn't like about today's episode is that uSine uthe makacala ile into zakhe angala on itable ayodlela endlini because she felt that she's not welcomed. And you know kuhlala nabantu ungabakhulumisi, since we know that uSine akakhulumisa uMakhumalo noMangwabi, you can feel the vibe ukuthi I'm not welcome there, and you can feel ukuthi labantu laba engathi bakhuluma bangakhuluma ngathi bakuhleka bangahleki. Understand as Mangwabi usho ukuthi inhliziyo enecala ayithola uphumula, but sometimes it's not that. Sometimes you can feel ukuthi you know what, la nje to avoid into eningi ngcono ngisukume ngami, even though I felt as if it's in my shows there, but it's a behavior that we are expecting from uSine. So uthi uSine makasuku umntana kaSine what kusukumile lokhu, something like that, sehambile lokhu, guys one, that is disrespect. No matter uSine angaba njani, at the end of the day umamakhe ula emhlabeni just because umamakhe. And into engayithandanga ke ukugcina engiceda umoya ukuthi umntwana usho kanje, so obvious bayathuka. uMakhumalo uthi khuphuka uthi khuphuka Thando, that means I'm hyper ukuthi whatever into Thando ayishoyo it's right. Bayahleka noma ngwabi. I just felt as if not uMaye, if uMacele was there, uMacele bekazokwazi ukumkhuza uThando awukhulumi kanjalo ngomama kumama wakho lo akusintanga yakho. Even if bongasi umama wakho usisi wakho lo or umamkhulu wakho lo akasintanga yakho, ungamenzi intanga yakho. And I think lo mntwana usho kanjalo lapha kulela ufula because she knows ukuthi umama wakhe nabo Makhumalo abakhulumisana, and she knew ukuthi if makasho kanje akekho umuntu ozomkhuza or kuzoba usho lamagama just because ufuna ukuthi abonakala ukuthi you know what, I'm not esayidini la kamamami ngisesayidini leni. We know abantwana ukuthi banjani. Mina ngihlala ngisho ngithi as a parent masomntwana you need to work, masowunomntwana you need to work hard, not just that you need to work hard, very hard, so that ingane zakho azikwazi ukuthi zikhothamele ingane zabodadweni laba who are successful in life. So lo mntwana kusho ukuthi aphila lempilo ukuthi you know what, my mom uhleli akasebenza akafuna ukusebenza, umama uhlala itopic yezinto ezirong, and sayabona she's old now ngithi, so uzozama naye ukuthi afithe in kwezinye izinto. I understand. uzozama ukuthi afithe in kwezinye izinto ukuthi angafeel as if you know what I'm on my mother's side because uyamazi umama yakhe ukuthi even if noma ngabe mhlawumbe le nto le imzwisa ubuhlungu but akakwazi ukuthi athi atshengise ukuthi uzwa ubuhlungu just because labantu ahleli nabo etafuleni abazwani nomama yakhe. That is my opinion guys, but I really didn't like the fact that uMangwabe noMakhumalo bazohleka umntwana akhuluma into wrong kangaka, even if le nto le mntwana bangayikhuluma kuSine mhlawumbe bangayikhuluma kulwandle or ku-Oami, whoever. It is wrong ukuthi ubize umuntu especially omdala uthi lokhu emntwini omdala, your mother, uthi uhambile lokhu like usho etafuleni, you are comfortable usho that thing in front of abogogo bakho, then abogogo bakho bayahleka ukuthi kamseloku i-respect into engakho. And now iya-understand ukuthi nale ngane nosibindi yingakho abadelela kanjena amakhosikazi ngoba umntwana now but they are laughing ukuthi umntwana kaSine usho lento igama elisinda kangaka on national TV or etafuleni bakhona bayahleka. It's funny today, next time uyothi basamdala uyolisho kubo bese izabe sekuthiwa nomntwana uyadelela njengoSine kanti ngabe bayikhuza manje asesemncane. No, you don't say that to umama wakho bese bahlale njengoba bahleli beyithuke bayenze leya caucus yabo basho ukuthi hey uthando nangu phela mpini sekasho igama elisindayo bahleke if bona bayibona as if ifun, but to me it was not fun. And guys ngamkhuluma say to me it was far from being fun. I just felt as if umntana kaSine uyayilahla lento, and umntana kaSine kusho ukuthi ucala uba namagama wrong abamkhuzi bayombona sekamdala sekafana nomama yakhe, then they are saying ulihlaza uzomkhuza kanjani or mamkhuzi uyaphendula icala kanje. Angithi makacala ufana nomntwana mamfundiso ubunyoka ucala kabe ngaphandle masacedile ukudelela abanye abantu ubuye azodelela la endlini. Ukhumbule lokudelela wena you were so comfortable makadelela abantu and you kept quiet as a parent or as a guardian of leyo mntwana lo. So nomntwana kaSine uyaqala udelela uSine bazothula uyokhuphuka athi macele bathula angenele laba abanye abantu because angeke ahlale awumntwana ahlale angabi nama-clashes. We are family, kuyaba khona nakhona ufile ukuthi asithini mamkhulu wami kodwa lento ayishoyo ngiyafisa ukumphendula ngoba ngiyahlonipha ngeke umphendule. So lo kaSine uzoba nesibindi ngoba nesibindi sokudelela umama yakhe. But wazalami sithi comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.